Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I create and achieve this look. So first of all, I'm going to have some work done with my eyebrow. I just shave off the hair that grow not necessary in my eyebrow and swap it off. And then I'm going to use NYX brow pencil. This one is like really skinny and really easy to draw my new shape for the eyebrow. Then I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade. My color is deep brown, so I'm gonna fill in and go into the details of the eyebrow. The most natural way to achieve your eyebrow is to go into the detail of the hair stroke in the beginning of your eyes, I mean the eyebrows. After I'm done drawing my eyebrow, I'm going to use the concealer. This one from Maybelline New York, and I just conceal and sharpen off my eyebrow. So in this step, yeah, you can make it so clean that your eyebrow look perfectly. You can see the comparings between the left hand side eyebrow and the right hand side eyebrow right now. So now let's jump into the eye look with me. I'm using MAC Soft pen pot to prime my eyelid, and this step is really important. It's like cover up your redness in your eyes, and also it's like a really great base to for your color. So the palette I'm going to use today is Morphe brush, and this palette is 35K, and I use the color real light in the palette to be the first color of my eyes. This one is like a base but like shadow base. And well, this I already pick up like a really light brown color with a little bit of the orangey color in the palette. I will show you in a bit. I just building up the color softly, and so this is the color. And now I'm going to pick like it's really dark brown color, so to make it more intense in my eye corner and also in the end of my eyes. So the brush I use is from Morphe. This one a smaller blending brush. So in this look, it's all about the eyes, and so I'm gonna pick this really dark color in the palette. It's almost like black, it's like navy black. And so the brush I use is from Jewellery, the number of it is 231. So to blend the color really well together, I'm going to pick up the brush that I use for the lightest brows, and I just blend all the color together. So next step, I'm going to pick up the NYX eyeliner, and this one is really important step. I tweet it out and fill on the gap between my eyelashes, and I also fill on the under eyelashes. So stop right here if you think it's finished. It's not, you have to blend it out. So I use the blending brush 231 from Jewellery I used earlier for my eyelid, and I just blend all the color out, and I did not clean the brush at all, so I still have the black color in there. Also, I use the brush that I used earlier for the light brows, and I just blend the black color and the brown color together to make it soften. So now I'm going to pick a really bright color in the palette. It's like white with a little bit of shimmer, and I fill the gap on between my eyes, and this step will make the look really pop out. Now I'm going to use the glitter primer from Too Faced and this put it on my eyelid, but where I just put the bright shimmer color in there. You know, I just love to playing with glitter a lot, so today I'm going to put on the mermaid glitter from Glitter Hand, and I just dabbing them on my eyelid and also the corner under eyes.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far.
So the eye look is almost done. Now I'm going to use a Maybelline New York gel liner in black color. This one is my favorite gel liner ever, and I'm using the Zoeva brush liner to create the cat eyes, and this one supposed to be really drama, so I make the liner a little bit longer than normal.
In this world, we'll never forget.
This is the most important step, that you always need lashes, so I put on new version lashes, and this one in the shade Russian black. And now I'm gonna powder my face up with 17th UK. This one is like a really cheap brand drugstore. You can find anywhere in good. Not forgetting to powder my face. So this one is Slick Makeup, and I think this one is the lightest palette that they have. So for the highlighter step, I just use a Jewellery Star Cosmetic highlighter. This one is Skin Fort in the collection that he do with many more. Sorry to you guys, in this video I just non-stop chewing my chewing gum. I should not do that, and but I did that already and I did not realize about it. Just quick updates you guys in my website. At the moment it is 23% off everything, so you just go there, click sale, and it's bring you directly there, and so get yourself some jewelry like mine. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you guys enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also if you like the video, please click like so I know and I can make more video for you guys.
Standing on the edge